မင်္ဂလာပါရှင်အခုတစ်ခေါက်တော့ Space 8 Falcon 9ဆိုတဲ့ rocket လေးအကြောင်းလေးကိုပြန်ပြီးမှဖတ်ကြည့်ပြီးမှဒီမိကုန်းလေးကိုပေါ့နော်ဒီ plans လေးတွေကိုဖြည့်ကြည့်ကြရအောင်ဆိုရင်တော့စဖတ်ရအောင် Space 8 Falcon 9 rocket lifted off from Cape Canaveral, Florida on Friday at 1845 GMT, 1445 EDT, reaching orbit 9 minutes later. The rocket loaded an unscrewed mock-up of SpaceX Dragon capsule, which is planned to one day carry both crew and cargo to orbit. So, the osali a jangli bono to a sabi ma orbit tail toa like that. So, the osali go your like your piatara bono. Okay, so you know the machichi which is planned to one day carry out. Erali your So the rocket liali SpaceX Dragon capsule ye mock-up design li lok thare ha ni po no so the akha jaro da li ka the chain ma ro crew ne cargo li ko orbit ko tae twa ma tae yu nai aung lo po no lok thare ba li phit me design la planning la organize ne contribution nga ro pe lai ya me ashi na ma is pare so the lo mi yaw so design be phit nai ne design lok thara po no so the chain ja yin no a lo li pe twa me de this has been a great day for SpaceX and a promising plan for the US human space flight program, said Robin, recruiter of SpaceX, in a webcast of the launch. Rodalia Roho SpaceX at a good daily pit or not be doing US human space flight program address. Promising that adjective so the now man now me like me. Potential like me now hold on. Carrier or SpaceX carrier or machine bono or space rocket a down pioneer so machine be pin so side to development leader so in a teleconference with the media on Thursday, SpaceX CEO Label co-founder Elon Musk said he would consider the flight 100% successful if it reached orbit. Even if we prove out just that the first stage planned correctly, I would say that's a good day for a test, he said. Tugaro who media who teleconference looked at him and do a pure abono. So Daliali, any chima the Gani rocket ya that warabono cabani, the end that wabi yaudware, so yataro. Daliga who Patama stage liga correctly, correctly, bono, kangamuli pitware, so we have you through a proof low like abo. So dinali maka vab team, no? So vabka be vabli team. Identifying functions working at telumyao or show like me for no pay like me so Patama a singer stage gap new pile identify no machine functions pile Kang functions or data li or member first stage lia data li who function pit abo. So this is a good day for a test, he said. So it's a great day if both stages work correctly. So akuro ho patma stage pe now both stages work correctly so no correctly so no SpaceX hopes to win a NASA contract to launch astronauts to the International Space Station using the Falcon 9. So the SpaceX ka now find solution to a shema astronaut who International Space Station who now challenge for the US government space shuttles which currently make these trips are planned to retire for safety reason at the end of 2010. 2010 maro ka safety jangolo bono retire lo do me retire lo do me so bi ma pyo de so di na li ka kwat ma a ne blank li shi de ba li che ya so ro set ka the lo mya u plan ma the lo mya u fixing net schedule ma fixing to retire ma phit na nu at the end of 2010 lo pyo ra kha ja ro ma yaw tei bo no aku di ma pyo de chain lo ma yaw tei so 2010 ma schedule ကိုစီစဉ်ထားတယ်ပေါ့နော် retire လို့ကိုဟုတ်ပြီဖြေလိုက်ပြီးရင်တော့ confirm လုပ်ပြီးအဖြေလေးကိုကြည့်ကြည့်ရအောင်ဖြေထားတဲ့ဥစ္စာလေးအားလုံးမှန်ပါတယ်ကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်